it's a great question. And yes, I think that there's a big impact that technology and automation can make there, particularly bots. And there's also some areas that AI can increase bias. So I think it's really important there. One phrase that, I've heard a lot, I'm sure you have too, and never really, I've always been annoyed when people say that, I can tell in the first 10 minutes if I'm going to hire this person, because it's really wrought with bias. The same thing for resumes, where if you really think that looking at a couple of keywords, and a lot of times, even really strong recruiters, you just don't have time. There's so much. If you get 300 resumes for a high volume job, you're going to get to the 250th one later. Then you get to the 100th one, and it might be too late because time is so important there. So I do think bots can help automate some of that, provide a consistent playing field at the top, and eliminate some forms of bias, even to the degree of how the conversations are happening. So eliminating gendered words. There's a ZipRecruiter study that said, I think it was, I forget the exact number, but around 72% of job postings in the US have some sort of gendered words. And if you remove those, you actually get 45% higher applicant volume. So I think having something that's been battle tested and consistent can help. But at the end of the day, the actual interview, I still believe at this point, needs to happen with a person or a combination of people.